We'll do 5,000 sats. Send.
I should receive sats into my wallet.
Oh, boom! There we go.
That's lightning fast.
Today, I'm joined by Prashanth, founder of Bringin, an app that lets you spend Bitcoin anywhere. He's in the hot seat today, and he will be answering, or he'll try to answer, 21 questions in 10 minutes. And remember, this is a lightning episode, so look out for the Cashu eCash token that'll pop up somewhere on the screen. Prashanth, are you ready?
Yes.
First question. When was Bringin officially launched?
Company was incorporated in February 2023, and the product was live in August 2023.
What's your Bitcoin origin story? Why does Bringin exist?
I was not able to spend Bitcoin when I moved to EU. I want to make that possible for everyone in the globe, and that's why I bring in.
What problem were you frustrated by before building this?
Exchanges. Exchanges didn't work the way it's supposed to work. So Bringin is solving that.
Is Bringin self-custodial? Do users actually control their own keys with your app?
Yes, absolutely. So users can hold Bitcoin in any of their wallets and use Bringin services and tools.
Can someone use Bringin without KYC?
Some part of it, self-custody Lightning wallet is KYC free. They can get access to a wallet, store Bitcoins, and then receive payments. But when they wanna spend using the debit card or off-ramp to the bank or on-ramp Bitcoin into the wallet, they will have to do KYC.
Oh, next question. Can I use Bringin's Lightning wallet without KYC?
Yes, absolutely. You can use Lightning wallet without KYC.
Can we do a demo to prove it? Don't trust, verify.
Yeah, absolutely. I have my Lightning wallet here.
Okay. Is that invoice?
Yeah, this is a Lightning address. You can scan this from your Lightning wallet. So this is a self-custody Lightning wallet on Bringin.
Okay, I just scanned it. Let's see if it works. We'll do 5,000 sats. Send.
I should receive sats into my wallet.
Oh, boom! There we go.
That's lightning fast.
That's lightning fast. Okay, can't get too excited, Sai. Next question. How do you fund your self-custody wallet?
You can buy Bitcoin into self-custody wallet with one click on Bringin. Make a SEPA transfer. Euros lands on your Euro account. You can click on buy, and the Bitcoin arrives in self-custody wallet. That's one way to fund the self-custody wallet if you're new to the Bitcoin. Or if you want to use a Lightning wallet with the Bitcoin you already hold, you can deposit with on-chain or Lightning transfers.
What is Bringin Connect and who is it for?
Bringin Connect is an invisible connection between wallets and bank. By connection allows you to create a bank account number that is linked to your wallet, which means any funds sent to this account number magically converts the funds into Bitcoin and pushes into the wallet. And the self connection is a Bitcoin address that you can get for your bank, any of your banks. Any Bitcoin sent to this address magically converts Bitcoin into euros and sends it to the bank. All invisibly. You don't have to open the app. Sending is buying, sending is selling.
Walk me through. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
This is for Bitcoiners or people who want to buy Bitcoin.
Very nice. I'm excited. Walk me through the KYC process. Do I have a transaction limit?
A simple ID verification and a face scan gives a 10,000 euro limit per month. And if you want additional limits, that's possible with additional verification.
What does it actually cost to use Bringin?
If you're buying and selling Bitcoin, we charge 1% commission on buy and sells. If you want to use a debit card, it's 3.49 euros per month with zero forex and zero usage cost.
How many cards can I create on Bringin, and what would I use them for?
You can create up to 5 cards. It can be both physical and virtual. You can use that to spend euros or Bitcoin, online or offline.
What's the daily cash withdrawal limit?
It's about 1,000 euros, or it could be more. I need to verify this.
What is Bringin Private designed for, and what does it unlock?
We have been working with high net worth individuals who own Bitcoin for a while to be able to liquidate it and buy houses, boats. And we have streamlined this processes. Yes, boats. And we have streamlined this process to help them do their bank reportings and everything into a dedicated process with a dedicated account manager. So anyone who wants to buy or sell Bitcoin more than 50,000 euros, we have a process and a dedicated channel so that they can work with us to make sure that happens smoothly.
What's the minimum to qualify for Bringin Private?
If they want to buy or sell Bitcoin worth more than 50,000 euros.
Can businesses use Bringin?
Not as of today, but that will change in 2 weeks. So we are onboarding 10 businesses on our pilot program starting from in the first week of August.
Why offer a personal IBAN or virtual IBAN?
If the banks, if you sell Bitcoin on Bringin, the banks sees the funds coming from your own virtual IBAN account, making it completely safe to off-ramp Bitcoin from your wallet to bank. Without this virtual IBAN account in the user's own name, in your own name, it looks like it's coming from an exchange, and that kind of raises the risk appetite of transfers, and there's a chance of it getting blocked. So virtual IBAN accounts prevents that.
What's the EU regulatory status, and where is Bringin registered?
Bringin is a technology company incorporated in Lithuania, but the team operates or physically located in Estonia. And we are a technology company. We rely on our financial services, which is provided by our partners, which is incorporated in Estonia.
How does Bringin make life easier for accountants? Because they're important too, right?
And especially for businesses, it's going to be more important. We allow, or our exports from the app is very friendly to accountants, and it also is compatible with most of the tax tools out there in the market. So users can export and import, and it just work. So we are continuously working on improving it.
Where is Bringin available right now?
It's available for all the residents and citizens of countries which is part of Europe Economic Area, which is most of the EU.
How old do I need to be to open a Bringin account?
15.
Okay. And last question, what will we be able to do in future versions on Bringin? So basically, what are you building towards?
So you can replace your bank account completely with Bringin, which means it allows you to do euro payments to your landlords, peer-to-peer, and Bitcoin payments. So Bringin will be a neobank for Bitcoiners, which is as capable of any other neobanks in EU for customers, and same for businesses. They can accept Bitcoin without having to hold Bitcoin or the conversion to euros if they would like to, or buy Bitcoin to the treasury without any bank blocks or accounting headaches.
Very nice. And boom, we are done with 1 minute 41 left on the clock. Well done. We even got in the lightning demo, which is awesome.
Yes. I was efficient. Was I clear? I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think so. We'll see in the edit playback. And to those of you watching, if you don't qualify for the 50K private service, no worries. We build towards it. We save. We'll get there one day. Prashanth, where can people find you and Bringin?
So best way to reach out to me is on X, Twitter, Prashanth C123. And the second best way is via Bringin X handle, X on Twitter. Bringin XYZ is the handle. Or they can find me on LinkedIn as well.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.